In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances, the profit and loss report is one of the most essential tools. It gives you an overview of your revenue, expenses, and overall profitability, helping you make informed decisions. QuickBooks Online makes generating and printing this report quick and easy, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Alright, let's dive in to begin. Open QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand navigation panel. Here you'll see a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Reporting Center, where you can access a variety of financial reports for your business. At the top of this page, you'll notice two tabs, Standard and Custom. Select the Standard tab to view the default set of reports available. Next, locate the search bar near the top of the page. Type in Profit and Loss and press Enter. From the results, select the Profit and Loss report. Once the report loads, you'll see a default display that summarizes your company's financial data. It includes key sections such as revenue, cost of goods sold, expenses, and net income. Take a moment to review the information presented. Now, let's customize the report to fit your specific needs. First, adjust the reporting period. In the drop-down menu, you can select a time frame such as this month, last month, this quarter, or year to date. Choose the option that best matches the data you want to analyze. Next, make sure the accounting method aligns with your bookkeeping. You can toggle between cash and accrual methods depending on how your finances are tracked. To further tailor the report, you can customize the layout. For example, you might want to display columns by month or quarter, hide cents for a cleaner look, or collapse smaller details to simplify the view. If your business uses classes or locations to organize transactions, you can filter the report to include only the data that's most relevant. Apply these filters as needed. Before moving on, double-check that the report is set up correctly. Look at the top of the page to verify details like your company name, the report title, and that totals and subtotals are accurate and clearly displayed. Now, it's time to print. Locate the printer icon in the upper right corner of the report and click on it. This will open the Print Settings window. Here, you'll need to select the appropriate orientation for your report. Choose Landscape if the report is wider, or Portrait if it fits better vertically. Next, adjust the scaling to fit the entire report on one page. This ensures all columns and totals are visible without cutting anything off. Don't forget to check the margins in your printer settings. Make sure they are wide enough to avoid trimming the header or totals when the report is printed. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the print preview. This gives you a chance to confirm that the report is clear, legible, and formatted exactly how you want it. Once everything looks good, click Print to print your customized profit and loss report. And that's it. You've successfully created and printed a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.